Blast Arcade, but I'm here today at the Pixel Blast Arcade for their grand opening on July 1st. And great crowd here. Let's take a walk around. The place looks great so far. Let's talk with Terry and Paul and see not only what's here, but ask them what they think so far about owning and operating their own arcade. So maybe we'll go that way. Opening one video. Terry, owner of Pixel Blast. What's it like? Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Very happy. It's a really good title. Very loud.
Yeah, lots of air hockey going on.
What do you think? How is it to have your arcade open?
For the first few minutes it's been open. it's point of phrase is a blast. this is fun. We're this is the first endeavor that I've ever done like this. Got a lot of help from this guy. he's been talking us up since we had the concept, and it's been great. We've got just the community has come together to really help us launch. Really, we're grateful to everybody who helped us. We're grateful to everybody who's
here.
Yeah.
Paul, the other owner, congratulations.
Thanks, Doc.
Great arcade. What's it like? How is it to have your own arcade open?
I don't know. I was running around like 90 miles an hour with my hair on fire, and I still haven't calmed down from that. I'm still trying to put my hair out, but
mine didn't go out.
Yeah, it's just great to see people in here playing the games. We've had these games for so long. We enjoy them so much, and just now everybody's playing. It's just great, man. It's just great to see them.
And even this, check this out. Industry legend Brian Colin.
Brian Colin!
I'm taking pictures, I'm not in pictures. How you doing?
Doing good.
Congratulations, gentlemen, on the opening. The place looks fantastic. It looks fantastic.
Thank you very, very much.
We just got in though. 10 minutes late. I wanted to be the first to
That's
do it.
okay. That's all right.
Big end of it.
But we're just going for the ride and seeing where it takes us. So,
Well, thank you so much. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, and we can't wait to hear what everybody's going to get to do. I hope it's a very good and fantastic weekend for you.
thank you very much.
Thanks, Doc.
Thanks, everybody. This is Doc Mack from Pixel Blast, and we hope to see you at their arcade soon.
Should we do a little more walking around? I'll do a quick tour around.
Do a full tour, absolutely.
All right.
Can I get a picture?
So here's the front door. Oh, that's Jason.
Where do you park around here?
I don't know. I got here early, so I didn't have problems getting parking. I parked 2 doors down. All right, so here's the entrance. This is your view right when you come in. Here's the front counter. You come over here and pay your admission, then you're free to play whatever you'd like. Uh-oh, do we have our first bill? You might have. And on the left, we got this nice air hockey table. Restrooms right across here. Die Hard Arcade. Handball. We got Golden Tee. Now we got some shooters over here. Area 51, Site 4. Hello to Eric, who's playing. Lethal Enforcers. Nice cabinet. Police Trainer. It's a good one. Zybots. XY-bots. Zybots. We got a twin Tokyo Drift. Fast and Furious. Nice red glow from underneath there. Yeah, Cruisin' USA. Also versus setup. Crazy Taxi. Turbo Outrun. Hard Driving. And then we have our 10X champion from Galloping Ghost. That's Peter Gore's playing right there. Hill Climber. Nice. It's pretty cool. All right, one of the hardest games you'll ever find in an arcade. Ghosts and Goblins. Snow Brothers, cool. Good puzzle game. Sly Spy. We got a 4-slot Neo Geo with Aero Fighters 3. What else? I can't tell. We got Windjammers, Blazing Star. I can't see the last one, but looks like they're doing some work. I don't want to disturb them. Let me go back around where I started here. A nice dedicated Rolling Thunder. Great looking cabinet. Alien Syndrome. Original control panel. Looks great. Great monitor. Commando. Tubin. The water effect marquee. Very nice looking. Let me go to the other side here past the entrance. We've got an Asteroids Deluxe. Phoenix. Controls look like they're in really nice shape here. Gyrus. Looks like that's the original stick though, Monroe. Space Invaders. Nice cabinet. It's a Midway Space Invaders. Around the corner here we got Fist of the North Star. Fighting game. Street Fighter 2 Champion Edition. This is actually Turbo Hyper Fighting. Hello to Brian again. We got a dedicated Double Dragon. Very cool. Combat Tribes.
It's coming along good.
Superman. Got a nice little cabaret centipede here. Maybe Duke will come in and put a score on here sometime. Choplifter. Crystal Castles. Glowing trackball. Karate Champ. Kicks. We got Nibbler, nice. I think we might see a resurgence in interest on this one. Man vs. Snake just came out. Dig Dug. Of course, Hubert Classic. Got Miss Pac-Man. Galaga. Popeye. The original Donkey Kong.
Touchtunes about 5 years ago.
The original Mario Brothers. Versus Goonies. Versus the Goonies. Original Pac-Man. And Super Pac-Man. Cool. It looks like that's about everything. We have Nintendo here at the event. Oh, there's also a table game here. Oop, what game is this? Oh, looks like another Popeye. Yep. Cool. And then here's the counter. Popcorn machine here. Snacks and drinks. Great place. Hope everyone can make it out and check it out. This has been Pete Hahn from the Pixel Blast Arcade opening day out in Lisle, Illinois. Take care, everyone.